To research crypto coins, start by reading their white paper, which outlines the project's purpose, technology, and future plans. Evaluate the team member's background and experience. Analyze the coin's utility, how practical and useful it is in the real world. Check on-chain data like market cap, trading volume, and price history. Also, observe the project's activity and community engagement on platforms like Twitter, Discord, and Reddit. Lastly, keep an eye on partnerships, roadmap progress, and any upcoming developments to assess long-term potential. Not all crypto coins are created equal. With thousands of options out there, how do you know which ones have real potential and which are just hype? In this video, we'll break down how to research crypto coins like a pro, from analyzing white papers and tokenomics to spotting red flags and finding hidden gems. Stay ahead of the game and make smarter investment decisions in the crypto space. Let's dive in. 1. White paper analysis. A project's white paper provides crucial details like its mission, technology, problem it aims to solve, tokenomics, supply, distribution, and incentives, and long-term vision. A well-written white paper is a strong indicator of a serious project. 2. Team and developers. Research the team behind the coin. Are the founders and developers experienced in blockchain technology or related industries? Check their LinkedIn profiles, past projects, and reputations. An anonymous team can be a red flag. 3. Use case and utility. Evaluate the coin's actual utility. Is it solving a real-world problem or offering something unique, e.g., smart contracts, DeFi platforms, NFTs, payment solutions, or decentralized storage? Coins with strong utility are more likely to succeed. 4. Tokenomics and supply metrics. Understand the coin's tokenomics, total supply, circulating supply, inflation or deflation mechanisms, and how tokens are distributed, pre-mined, staking rewards, or initial coin offerings. A well-balanced token supply can prevent massive price swings. 5. Market performance and metrics. Analyze market cap, daily trading volume, and price trends. High liquidity and consistent trading activity often indicate investor interest. Websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko provide detailed metrics. 6. Community engagement. A strong and active community often reflects a project's popularity and support. Check platforms like Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and Reddit. Regular updates, AMA sessions, and active discussions are positive signs. 7. Partnerships and collaborations. Look for established partnerships with other companies, blockchains, or industries. Collaborations with reputable organizations often enhance a project's credibility and growth potential. 8. Roadmap and development progress. Review the project's roadmap to see its future plans. Are they delivering on their promises? Regular development updates on platforms like GitHub show the project's technical progress. 9. Regulatory compliance. Check if the project complies with regulations in key markets. Regulatory issues can lead to project shutdowns or legal troubles. 10. Security and audits. Ensure the project has undergone security audits by reputable firms, e.g., CertiK, Hacken. Past hacks or vulnerabilities can indicate risks. By combining these elements, you can make a well-informed decision before investing in any cryptocurrency. Always stay updated and avoid hype-driven decisions.